today my mom is gonna ask questions. So mommy, tell me a question.
Do you make your bed every day?
Of course, yes.
Why?
Because if I don't, it will not be nice if you will be in the bed.
Okay.
Then you can't go to sleep because it will be too messy, and then you're gonna make your bed at night.
Okay. Why are you learning every day?
To be smart like Daddy and be strong like Daddy. So my brain can be smarter to see where to go under Daddy to point to the
What this means to be smart?
Smart means you're getting smarter and like the thing. Like you, if banana was going like crawling after me, I go and I'm saying, so then I need to go under the banana. I'm gonna win. Yes!
Why reading is so important to you?
To read? Because I need to sound out words at the end of my learning book. I always do long words like this much. I don't know how long.
Why reading is important?
Because you need to read. If you don't have reading lessons, how are you going to read? You can just talk by reading.
Okay, but why you need to be able to read?
Because you need to be able to make words. Because you don't know how to make words.
Why are you keeping your toy organized and clean?
Because I don't want to step on one of them and I get hurt, and I don't want them to slip, and I don't want them to slip or get broken if they're too.
Okay. And how are you keeping your toys organized and your room clean?
When I see a mess by accidentally, Luella and Willie make a mess. I saw it in my room, a bunch of little toys. Luella did that mess. I cleaned them one by one on my shelf. Well, it wasn't messy on the shelf. Well, Luella did that because it was messy on the shelf. Now I add it by order.
Okay. Why are you cleaning your room and your bathroom by yourself?
Because if I don't clean them by myself, I can't have computer, I can't have tablet, I can't have TV. Or I can't play for 20 minutes.
Okay, why eating animals product is not good?
Because then animals are not alive, and then they're little by little, they're getting little by little, animals are starting to get die, and then like if you kill a chicken, they're not gonna have a family.
Okay. And at what o'clock are you going to sleep?
However I want. I mean 9 o'clock. At 8 o'clock I sleep. At 8 o'clock I read books with my mom for 1 hour, and at 9 o'clock I'm going to sleep. So I just read books for 1 hour.
Okay. Thank you.
Now it's your turn to ask some questions.
In the comments below.
Oh, I hear you.